Hey crazy cuties, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex, a newcomer, cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. Today's video is a Liveglam subscription box type of video. It's been a while I've done this subscription. It's been almost a year, technically. Let me tell you about the subscription. You get plenty of collections. Sometimes they give you makeup brushes, eyeshadow palettes, lashes, lip products, face products, as in setting spray, anything that has to do with cosmetics or brushes. For $21.99. You also do have to pay for shipping. I do not know how much for shipping. For me, it was like $3.50, I believe, which is interesting. It was just one of those things. Further ado, let's get started. So this collection is called the Cream Brulee Kiss. So this is what it looks like. And you get a lip oil, 3 matte liquid lip base, and you get 1 lip liner. So I already have these 2 lip liners. These 2 products is the lip oil and the Liveglam lip liner called Brownie. I already have those. So I decided to switch them, which you can trade. You're able to trade your products. And they also added a new thing where you can add more into your collection of one liquid lipstick to a brush. So interesting. So let's see what's for this month's theme. Craving a lip look that's delicious as desserts. Dive into our Cream Brulee Kiss Liveglam Club collection where indulgence meets irresistible charm. Treat your lips to a trio of delicate mattes, a twist-up liner that is rich as a brownie, and juicy lip that looks like cherry pie on top of your look. Because who says you can't have your cake and wear it too? So, yeah. So, I also changed it to 2 products I don't have, and I also added a couple of extra products into my collection because, well, 1 product I'm going to keep. The ones I got for basically use my points for, which you can use. So let's get started. So I don't know which one is are. Okay, this is this month's thing. So you get 3 liquid lipsticks, which I really love their liquid lipsticks, and I love chocolate. So this is like my go-to thing. So this one is called Indulge. Indulge is a mauve toffee, the color, which is beautiful. And I'm actually just gonna go and put it on my arm. So that's what it smells like. Vanilla smells like its original smell that I like. These stays on really all day long, and I love them. Does not dry your lips. So Indulge, which I like that color. So this is like up in my alley of browns. This one is Scrumptious. This is a sorry if I mispronounced this. It's Cineria Truffle. So it has more of a red tone to it. Yeah, it has like a nice little berry red tone. Ooh, scrumptious. Look at that. Sorry if the swatches are really sucky. I like that one. That one's like, especially if I'm playing with reds, I know. Ooh, haha, got an idea for the look. Then this one is called Dedicant. Dedicant is a rich matte mocha brown. Ooh. This is actually up my alley. So, like I said, I'm not really good with swatches. So this one is called Dedicant. So, Dedicant, Scrumptious, and Indulge. This is really like up my alley of browns. So, definitely up my alley with those. Like, but yeah, I really like these 3. These are so beautiful, and I cannot wait to play with these. And then I switched those 2 products, the lip oil and the brownie, The brownie, I do have them. I'm going to show you what brownie looks like because I feel like to have an idea what brownie looks like, and like I said before, they sometimes do a lot of repeats on Liveglam, which is fine. Sometimes if you want to, whatchamacallit, I'm trying to think of the word here, to restock on stuff, to me that's fine. But for me, I'm just like, yeah. This is part of the collection. The lip liner and the lip oil was part of the Alonza one. And so I'm just going to show you what brownie looks like. Now brownie, they said brownie is a deep brown color, which I could say that's what brownie looks like. Now, I don't know what happened to my lip oil thing. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice pinky color. Smells like a cherry pie. Yep, smells like cherry pie. And it does give you a nice little pink sheer to the lips. So what I switched out with those two products, because it goes by the points that you use. I got this shade, because I don't have these shades, because I really like the lip liners. I have Ake Smoothie. It's this nice berry color. And this one, I got Bubblegum, this pink shade. And I don't really wear pink a lot, but I decided to get this because sometimes I do wear pink. That's a bubblegum pink. I do like that. I don't know why I'm smelling the colors, but you can sharpen these. These are not twist ups. So I do like these where they have the color right here. You can see. And I like to put them down anyway. So that's what I switched up, was those two lip liners. So 2 extra products I got. One of the products I'm not going to keep because I don't use this color. Like if I'm going like a purple, it's going to be like a dark purple. So I got the shade Allure, and this purple color right here. Now, if I really want to go and use this color, I would, but I'm not. So this would be part of a giveaway that I'm going to do in December. I'm going to get you a lot of stuff, and this brush I got too, because they give you Morphe brushes. They do have their own brushes, but most of the time they have Morphe brushes. So I got the M553, and this is supposed to be the tempered, tempered blush brush, which I really like the feel of these brushes. Like these are so soft, and I'm like, yes, I am a brush fanatic. I am an eyeshadow whore. So there you go. I'm the only one who call myself that. But these are so soft. I love Morphe brushes. So most of the brushes I have from Morphe, that's for because of Liveglam. So I cannot wait to play with this. But yeah, that's the 2 things I got from Liveglam. So the lip products I'm very excited about. So cannot wait. These are actually up my alley of browns anyway, because I love browns. Browns are like, you can do so many things with browns. And I feel like this season for fall, these browns will be perfect for the season and their chocolate. So this is actually after my own heart. So I do recommend these. These are pigmented, they're easy to apply, and they don't dry your lips. That's what I love about these, because certain matte liquid lipsticks can dry your lips. And it's just like, no. And you get to put lip oil or a chapstick base or lip balm, you can say, to do that. And I just like, yeah. With this eye look, like I said, if I didn't do my makeup look first, I would use Indulge. But I have an idea for that again, I believe. No, Scrumptious. I do want to play with this one, so I haven't looked for you guys. I'm thinking about a look, which I love doing that. But yes, so I will have a referral link down below if you want to check them out, if you want to subscribe to them. I do not get anything but points from Liveglam anyway. I am not, it's just not affiliated. Well, technically it is affiliate link, so there you go. But I don't, this is not sponsored or anything like that, so I'm gonna let everybody know. I really do love Liveglam. I think Liveglam is one of the good ones that I like other than like Ipsy. I'm glad I got this collection because it's speaking to me. So for $21 a month, that's not bad. So yeah, you get their own cosmetics. So if you do like this video, make sure to hit the like button. So I know you want to see more content like this, and also you want to see more Liveglam products. Let me know down below. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button. We are drama free and judgment free here. We welcome everybody here, and also we might be a little crazy, but we're cute at the same time. And of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos that I upload. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless.